Eccentrica Cars, a name that sparked interest over a little more than 1 year ago with its ambitious plan to create a Lamborghini Diablo Restomod, has now fulfilled its promise. The company has unveiled the Eccentrica V12 at the Quail, turning their vision into a fully drivable masterpiece. At first glance, the Eccentrica V12 closely resembles the iconic Diablo, with its 19-inch wheels and a sleek exterior. However, there are some notable changes. While last year's concept featured pop-down headlights, the final version retains the classic pop-up lights, paired with a sharp fascia and integrated LED running lights. The exterior also boasts restyled vents, flared wheel arches, and a redesigned engine cover, giving the car a modern yet familiar look. Inside, the blend of classic and contemporary design is evident. Eccentrica Cars has updated the interior with a digital driver display and a modern infotainment system, while preserving the nostalgia of the gated manual gear lever. The engine, a 5.7-liter Lamborghini V12, has been upgraded to deliver 550 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, with a smoother power delivery. Eccentrica plans to produce only 19 of these remarkable vehicles, with deliveries expected to begin in the summer of 2025.